So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first and foremost, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So this is our major trend on GBPUSD. And as you can see, our major trend says that we are in an uptrend move. This is the main trend. The major trend, market is trending to the upside. It is very clear that market is on a bullish move. But when you zoom it in right here, there is a minor movement currently going on, which is just minor trending to the downside. Have it in mind that very soon market will change this minor movement and it will go back to the major trend, which will start trending to the upside. So for long-term right prediction, we will be anticipating for a buy. We will be anticipating for a bullish move. That is for a long term. But for right now, let's see what market is going to be doing for the day, which is for Tuesday. We need to see what market is doing right here. So market is dropping. So let's see market drop one more time to come to this low, right? And then to push up again. So above all, there's going to be a bullish move that will play out on GBPUSD. But first, let's see it drop to at least a level of 1.36121. So within that level of 1.36121, once market can drop to that level, then we cannot start anticipating for a buy that will go bullish. So above all, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on GBPUSD. If in case market does not give us a bullish move and instead keeps dropping, I would then give you guys the updates and let you guys know what to do next. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.